What if Persian King Cyrus the Great never issued the Cyrus Cylinder in 539 BC, keeping the Jews enslaved in Babylon? Without their return to Jerusalem, Judaism would have slowly dissolved into Babylonian culture. No Second Temple meant no center of worship, no preserved traditions. Within just 3 generations, Jewish identity would have vanished completely. The ripple effects would reshape human history forever. No Jewish diaspora means monotheistic ideas never spread to Greece and Rome. Without this foundation, Christianity could never emerge. Jesus would remain an unknown figure if he existed at all. Islam, which built upon Jewish and Christian traditions, would also never develop. The Mediterranean world would stay permanently polytheistic for centuries longer. Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa would follow completely different spiritual paths. 3 of the world's major religions, followed by billions today, might never have existed. One cylinder of clay held the power to shape the faith of half humanity.